Good evening everyone. I'm Durgesh Brahmbhatt from Ultimate Class Asta. Today I want to talk about job. What do you want in your life? And what do you want to get in your life? You want the job, you want career, you want your parents. What do you want? Somebody told that I want money. Somebody says that I want job. Somebody says I want my family. Somebody says I want my career. These are things everybody told that I want this, that, whatever, anything else. Now this is the things that some people they want to do something in their life. I think if you want private job and government job, you should think about yourself that will you become a private employer or government employer? If you become a government employer, you will have to do under a government job. You will have to do under private job. Both job are not good for you. You should start on your business to do something to help the people, like plant, like Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, like do something for our Indians, protect the people. All business you can start on your business. So these are things that you must learn, you must talk to people. Some people go in private job, they work load, there is a workload on them, they work hard, but they get only few money. They don't earn money too much. But in government job, you have no knowledge, but you have degree. They will select you, they will hire you. It's up to you that it's your wish that you will come school today or not, you go in college or not. This is not it's your fault. It's a government is giving you whatever you want, money, whatever salary. In private job, until your one a date comes, then they don't give you money. But it's a depend on you that if you want to do job under in government, under in private, so in coming of time, where will you see to you? Where will be you in coming of time? I think I don't want to do against government, against private. I want to do on my business. So I am working for my business. So everybody, I want to say to you all that do whatever do. Everybody should believe you, should hire you. You should have a confidence. You should have a knowledge. The different type of knowledge you should have. Then everybody will come to meet you, and they will focus on your work. They will hire you, even though you have degree or not. That's all. Thank you very much. I'm Durgesh Brahmbhatt from Ultimate Class Asta.